Hey foodies, what's up? It's Jesse the Foodie here, and today I'm reviewing the grilled dogs from Burger King. Well, let's try these bad boys out. I got the classic one here. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't that look delicious, fam? Let's take a bite and see how it tastes. That's good. The relish to ketchup ratio is awesome. I give that one a 4. Now, I'm going to do the other one. The chili cheese grilled dog. And it's marked. That's extra bonus points. Good job, BK. Way to train your staff. This is what the chili cheese one looks like. Doesn't that look awesome? Let's take a bite. Excuse me. Now, I'll tell you what. With the chili cheese one, they could have added onions to it. That would have made it perfect. So out of all, I give that one a 3. So an overall 4.5. Good job, Burger King. Good job. Until next time, I'll see you later, fam.